Welcome back to Max Made Easy. Today, let's continue with our chapter percentage. Here is our question. Express the following percentage as fractions and has decimal number. That means they are going to give us the percentage and we are going to convert this percentage into fractions as well as decimal numbers. Children, just have a look at this video completely because each problem will be in different method, right? So don't skip this video. Watch till the end. So this is our question. Here they have given it in a mixed fraction, right? The percentage is in mixed fraction, and this mixed fraction we are going to change it as a fraction as well as in a decimal number. In both you have to change it, and it's not or, right? So since they have given and, we are going to convert it into two forms, that is fraction as well as decimal numbers. In my previous video I have shown you how to change a fraction or decimal number into a percentage, but in this we are going to remove the percentage. In previous chapter itself I have said one small trick, right? In order to change to percentage you have to multiply with 100, right? To convert it into percentage you have to multiply with 100. Similarly, to remove percentage, here we are going to remove it, right? This is remove, children. To remove percentage we are going to divide it with 100. Remove percentage, you have to divide it with 100. If you remember the small trick, it is very easy to solve any kind of problem in this percentage, right? To convert, this one is convert into percentage. Because in my next videos I cannot explain each and everything, right? So keep watching my video daily. I will upload some videos. If you watch those regularly on daily basis, you will improve in your maths. So I am going to divide it with 100 since we are going to remove this percentage, right? So this percentage is I am going to convert it into fraction as well as in decimal number, right? So simply I am just going to divide it. Since it is in mixed fraction, I am going to change it into a normal fraction. That means you have to multiply the 7 2's is 14. Multiply this 2, 7 2. 7 2's are 14. 14 plus 1 is 5. 15, sorry. 15, right? So 15 by 2. Right? This is the way to convert. This is simple, children. See, you have to multiply this 2. That is 7 2's are 14. And you have to add this on the top 1. So 14 plus 1 is 15. So 15 by 2 divided by 100. Right? I already explained how to divide zeros, right? In decimal fractions, I have made a complete video on it. If you check my playlist, you can find the complete chapter at one place regarding this decimal fractions. So for dividing, this is the method, right? So here it is in integer. Since we cannot divide a fraction with integer, I am changing this integer as fraction like this. That's why I am placing 100 by 1. So how to divide a fraction? I already said that you have to put the numerator, that is 15 by 2 as it is, and you have to reciprocal this 100. Reciprocal means numerator will come to denominator, denominator will come to numerator. See, I have placed it in the same way as the numerator and just reciprocaled in the denominator. Now you can very easily cancel it, right? If you cancel it, you will get 3 by 40. Or else you can just furthermore, let me take my pen, yeah. You can further divide this 3 by 40 and you will get 0.075. I hope you don't, I don't need to explain this, right? Okay, let's move on to the second one. 2.50 percentage. Even here we are going to remove this percentage, so we need to divide it with 100. Now 2.50 divided by 100. I already said you in simple way to divide it with 100. For dividing, it will move on to the left side, that is this side. For multiplication, it will move on to the right side, right? Since we are dividing it, I'm going to move this point towards the left side. How many zeros are here? Two zeros. So I'm going to move it 2 points, 1 and 2. Since here there is nothing, I'm just going to place 0. That means 0.025 is the answer. And how did you get this 1 by 40? Because they have asked to convert it in fraction as well as in decimal point. In decimal, I have explained you and how to get it in fraction. So this is the method, children. Okay, I will explain you in the last, children. So 0.02%. Even here we are going to remove this percentage. So divide it with 100. Even it is same, children. You have to move, since it is division, you have to move the decimal points towards the left side. So it will become 0.0002. And how did you get this? 1 by 5000. Now I will explain both. How did I got this 1 by 40 and how did I get this 1 by 5000? Here, this is right. This is the question they have asked. 2.50 divided by 100. Now, first of all, for dividing it, we need to remove this decimal point. For removing this decimal point, we have to move it 2 points towards the right. To move it towards the right 2 points, we have to multiply it with 100. Since we cannot multiply only with numerator, we are going to multiply the same number, that is 100, with denominator also. I hope you understood why I am multiplying with 100 and 100. In order to remove this decimal point, I have to move it towards the right side 2 digits, right? Then it will come to this end, that means 0.0, so that you can remove it, right? So that's why I'm multiplying with 100, and because we are multiplying with 100 in the numerator, even in the denominator I have to multiply with the same number. Now when you multiply it with 100, you can just remove this point. So 250 by 10,000, and here you can do the cancellation and you will get the answer. I hope I don't need to explain this, right children? 25 ones are 25 fours is 100, right? So 4, and you left over with 1 0, so place it here. So 1 by 100 will be the answer, right? Let's do this. Even this is in the same method. Even here, to move this point towards the right side, we are moving it towards the right side because then only you can remove the point. So I'm multiplying with 100, so even the denominator is multiplied with 100. Now when you multiply it inside, you can move this towards the right, then it will be 2 divided by 10,000. Now 2 ones are 2 fives are, and you can place those 3 zeros as it is, and you will get the answer. Now let's move on to the last question. 175%. Even here it's the same thing. For removing the percentage, you need to divide it with 100. I'm just dividing. While dividing with 100, you can imagine a point over here where my cursor is, right? So, and for division, you need to move it towards the left. So 1, 2. That means 1.75 will be the answer. And how did you get this? 1 3 by 4. In this mixed fraction, how to convert this into mixed fraction? It is really very easy through this division, simple division, right? 100 is divided with 175 divided by 100. Sorry children. So 100 one side is 100, right? So 175 minus 100 will be 75. Further than this, if you want to divide it, you need to place a point and start dividing it, right? So it will make our problem lengthier, and we will get the answer in points, but we need in fraction, right? So write this one as it is. Write one as it is over here, and just reciprocal this. 100 will come down and 75 will go up. Now you can divide it with 5 table twice, right? Divide this 75. 5 ones are 5 fives is 25. 5 twos is 10, 0. 5 threes are 15 and 5 fours is 20. You can do this cancellation and you will get the answer as 1 3 by 4. Right, children? I hope you understood this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. If you are unable to solve any problems in your academic syllabus, post your question in a comment section. I will surely make a video and upload it as soon as possible. And don't forget to share this video with your friends so that this videos will be helpful for them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and hit the bell button. Check the description box for more problems on percentage.